Hi, my name is Ben Stechschulte, and I'm a former prosecutor and board-certified federal criminal defense attorney. Oftentimes, I have clients or potential clients contact our office when they determine or when they found out that they are a subject or a target of a federal investigation. Well, the question is, how do they find out that they're a target of a federal investigation? Normally, it's two ways. Number one, they receive a letter from the U.S. Attorney's Office stating that they are a target of a federal investigation and that they need to come on in to the U.S. Attorney's Office or the FBI and DEA to give their statement or account of the events. The second instance is when a federal search warrant has been executed on their home, car, or properties. And at that point, individuals know that they're under federal investigation. Well, the question is, what do you do then? It's very important to contact an experienced federal criminal defense law firm like our firm so that you don't say anything or provide any evidence that potentially could be used against you in a federal investigation. If you receive a target letter and they're asking you to come to the office of the U.S. Attorney's Office, do not go to that office without an attorney being present. Oftentimes, the attorney can contact that office and present the evidence to show that you, in fact, shouldn't be indicted, or that the investigation that where they're at is not accurate, or in the event that you do need to cooperate and provide information, we can set up what's called a proffer agreement, where you go in and talk to the federal investigators, and any information or statement that you provide to them cannot be used against you in a court of law. The second example, when a search warrant has been executed on your home, property, or business, in that type of circumstance, we contact the U.S. Attorney's Office. We make sure you don't provide any statements or any evidence that can be used against you in court, and we potentially can challenge some of the evidence that's located as a result of the federal search warrant. And lastly, in the event we need to go to trial or litigate the case, we will be prepared well before you are indicted by a grand jury, or in the alternative, if you in fact are potentially guilty of charges, we can negotiate a plea agreement with the U.S. Attorney's Office so that you are not arrested at work and potentially lose your job. And we can set up so you plead guilty to an information, turn yourself into the authorities, and then at that point, we will negotiate the best plea agreement we can under the circumstances.